Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix an error in Excel. Microsoft has blocked macros from running because the source of this file is untrusted in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that we need to do is here, you need to select the Excel file that you are currently facing an issue with. Do a right click and go with Properties. Once you have clicked on it, this new window would appear where it has these different options. Proceed to General, and next to Attributes, if you see there an option which is Security, and aligning that under this Advanced, you can see there Unblocked option. Just uncheck the box there. Okay, so this is for the computer who have these options. Okay, if you see there Unblocked options, just uncheck the box there and apply an OK. So let's say if you don't see that option just like mine, then let's proceed to our next step, which we need to copy first the location here in our file. Go for properties and copy this location. Okay, Control C, close this. And here at the bottom search bar, we need to search for Excel. Type that and proceed to the best match. Double tap to continue. Once you have successfully opened your Excel, proceed to the blank workbook by double tapping and go for the left side of your screen. You can see their file beside home, tap it, and there you can see a list of the options. Proceed to the last one, which is options. Click on it. The moment you click on it, this new window called Excel Options will appear. Proceed directly to Trust Center. Click on it, and here under the Microsoft Excel Trust Center, you could see an option which contains Trust Center settings. Click on it, and here proceed to Trusted Locations. Okay, and you would be able to see the trusted locations and aligning that. Under that, you can see there a button or option which you can add new location. Click on it, and here you need to paste the location that we have just copied earlier. Okay, Control V, and then click on this box to check, and then OK. Once it is being added, click on OK, and then OK. And then open the file. Close this window first, and then open the file that you are currently facing an issue with. And there you have that. You won't be able to see the error or issue anymore. Okay, just how you have just successfully fixed the problem. Okay, and you're good to go. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.